A young farm boy grows up in rural Michigan. He loves tinkering with machinery and tools. Despite limited formal education, he is naturally curious. He dreams of building a machine to make farming easier. Determined, he moves to Detroit to gain experience. While working, he experiments with gasoline engines. He builds a small vehicle, calling it a quadricycle. His invention impresses investors, leading to funding. In 1903, he founds the Ford Motor Company. His focus is on mass production and affordability. He introduces the famous Model T in 1908. The Model T revolutionizes transportation for the masses. His innovative assembly line cuts production time drastically. By making cars affordable, he empowers middle-class mobility. Through tenacity and vision, he reshapes the automotive industry. Henry Ford's legacy continues, inspiring future innovations.